Recently, I've been wanting to customize something, but I haven't really known what to customize until today when I thought, yo, why don't I customize my MacBook? The first step of the custom is prepping the surface, and to do that, I'm going to spray painting, paint priming, and a few other things.
Took a flight to college on my passport. I wanna whip it in a Rari, not a RAV4. RAV4, whip it in a coupe, two-door. I think that's all, pull up 4 more. I live for the vibe, bitch. Think that I'ma die, Mitsubishi suicide, bitch. You get fried like you working at McDonald's. Nigga, give me a 3-piece, then pass me the Ronald, yeah. Nigga, stop it, yeah. Walk around the town with empty wallets. I keep 2 phones and a 9 up in my pocket. If a nigga wanna text, I'm like NASA with the rockets. Bitch, I invested in the presents. Inside my pocket, keep a couple presidents. If you don't stop talking, cover your mouth with some tape. Best watch where you walking, we been working until late. Took a flight to college on my passport. I wanna whip it in a Rari, not a RAV4. RAV4, whip it in a coupe, two-door.
Time to paint on the design using the insane Posca Markers.
I live for the vibe, bitch. Think that I'ma die, Mitsubishi suicide. That's fine. I let my heart get into your arms. Biggest mistake into space with its stars. I put it back in the cell, back of the mind with everything else. And I keep running around with the house on fire, cause the sun is so loud. Away, away, to where you know. Away, away, into space we go. Until I found you, I will go home soon. I can't stay up this long if you're not listening to. After I feel like a fool, you gave me something new. You gave me something new to look forward to. Somebody.
I've been doing good, baby, I've been doing great. Money in my pockets got me walking with a cane. They was talking down, throwing dirt on my name. Now I come through stunned, they don't even look my way. If you catch a glimpse, you might blind yourself. I dress like I really love myself. I got 6 bad broads and they love my wealth. But this for the family, keep your hands to yourself. Yeah, I'm racing and I'm never gonna stop. I just did 85 in a 20 past a cop. Fast cars, fast women, fast money, fast knots. I was cool, laying low, now I'm hungry for the top. So, they just wanna be like me. Walk in the club with no ID. All so hard you can break your knees. If you want a picture, it gon' cost a fee. You know this was bound to really happen last year. I was down so bad, started snapping, started working every day till that paper came in plastic. If you mess with the